it's me, Kiko, and this is the first ever video for my channel, a review. Today, you're in for a treat. We have the Jordan 1 High Royal Toe, men's US 13. Now let's unbox the pair. So, the pair was bought in Nike Park Glorieta 4, Ayala Center, Makati City. The shoe was released on May 9th and recently had a second release this June. The first release was an in-store release and the second one was an online release. The reason why the first pair, or the first release was quite easier to get in getting these pairs, it's because it was a store release, and the second one was an online release, meaning you get a W or an L. In other words, a win or a lose. Now the shoe. The shoe was bought for around $170 US or in Philippine peso, 8,095. With that said, now let's have a closer look of the pair.
So let's have a look on the shoe. This shoe mostly is made out of black and blue leather and less of the white. Predominantly, it's a dark colorway made out of mostly black and royal blue. The leather, as we can see here, is a soft buttery leather. All parts of the shoe are made of the same leather but in different color, as we can see here. And the outsole is royal blue on both pairs. This is the right pair, and this one I'm holding right now is the left pair. Now let's look at the inside parts of the shoe. Let us now have a closer look on the insoles of the shoe. Before we look at the inside of the shoe, let's look at the lace first. Both pairs have partially laced black laces, and the shoe also comes with an extra royal blue lace by Nike. Okay, let's look at the inside part. Removing the shoe tree, we have the black laces. The tongue. The tongue has this leather which is used all around the shoe, stitched on right here, and there's a space here. The tongue is made of nylon and foam part, as we can see here. Let's remove the insoles of the shoe. This is the left pair. Now let's get the right pair. Same with the right pair. Both insoles have the royal blue Nike Air. And on the flip side, they have sticky tape and has cuts over here. You can use this video to authenticate your shoe if the shoe you have is legit or not. This is the left pair I'm holding right now. The left pair has 2 white and 2 black strings masking tape underneath this soft pad. And let's check the other pair, the right one. So it's the same. It has 2 white and 2 black masking tape on this soft pad as well. Now let's go and check out the label of the shoe. The label of the shoe is a US 13, UK 12, Euro 47.5, CM 31, BR 46, CN 310. This is the code of the shoe. The code of the shoe, 555088-041. And this part, these are the dates. The date you see here is when the shoe was produced, and this is when the shoe was finished. You can use your camera and go to Google and check this and scan this to check if the shoe you have is the same shoe that you're holding or not. It was fabricated in China, and the website is here, Nike.com. Now, let's have a quick montage of the shoe.
So if you ask me, what are my thoughts on these? I'll probably say these are great investments to have. Why? For the retail price of $170 or in Philippine peso, 8,095, these are great pairs. Why? Because the current market value on these pairs alone is 15,000 Philippine peso. And for the smaller sizes, I've checked which are the sizes 9, 9.5, and the smaller ones, the 8.5, I've seen them reach 400 to 430 plus US dollars on StockX. So if you are the reseller on these specific pairs, I suggest you hold them for a year or a year and a half before you sell them on the market. Why? Because it is expected by then that the prices will go up. Don't be scared of holding them and people earning a lot just because they release them. Like right now, they own in Philippine peso, like they add 2,000, 3,000 up from the original price. Don't be scared holding them. Why? Because the value of the pair then will be much higher, and it is worth the wait, resellers. Hear me out, resellers. Now for the users, these are great pairs. Why? Predominantly, it's a dark colorway, meaning you can match it with almost any outfit you'd like to wear. Dark outsole, good for fashion, but if I were you, I would not wear these pairs every day because simply it is such a great shoe. So I wouldn't wear it that much. You must be careful on this part though, the toe box. Since the material is made like this, the toe box area creases. I hope you guys enjoyed my first unboxing video. Please show your support by hitting the like button. See you on my next video. Please share and subscribe.